Hello there, welcome to my channel TagITfriend. Today we are going to see some Windows 10 basic commands related to Windows key. So we'll try Windows up to A to Z and we'll see what it does. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like the video, hit like button. If you think the video is worthy to learn something, please share with your colleagues and friends. So let's start the video without any delay. The first one is Windows plus A. If we'll press Windows plus A, you can see you can open notification bar, and you can make some changes here over here, like you can turn on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi location, and you can do the flight mode as well. Let's move to Windows plus B, and you can see it move to hidden icons for the notification icons itself. Next, let's move to Windows plus C, and you can see we have Cortana, and I have not signed up or not done any agreement things over here, so it's not showing anything. Next, move to I need to open here. Next, we have Windows plus D, so that works to get to the display, I mean desktop. So if anything is open, you can press Windows plus D and it will get you to the desktop. Next command is Windows plus E, and you can open Windows Explorer to view the drives or the file folders. Next one is Windows plus F. You can get the feedback hub. This is rare work for system user, but you should know. Next we have Windows plus G. And you can get Windows game bar, so it's a shortcut to open the game settings. Okay, next move to Windows plus H, and this is used for converting voice to text. You just need to speak anything and it will convert into text. You just need to open some Word file before that. Windows plus I, it opens system setting. From here you can get the system devices, connected devices like mobile devices, network and internet setting, and you can see all the settings like ease of access, gaming, search, privacy, right? We have next Windows plus J. So normally it doesn't work. It says Windows plus and J says it focus on a tip for Windows 10 when applicable. So we do not have anything currently. Next, move on to Windows plus K. So it will show you the connected devices if anything is there, like Bluetooth devices or any other devices, right? Windows plus L, this lock the screen. You may not able to see this, so you just note it. Windows plus L will get locked. Then you have Windows plus M, and it will help to minimize all the open windows, and you can get back to desktop. Next we have Windows plus O, and this works on normally touchpad Windows screen, or the other one which you can rotate your screen. So basically this locks the screen orientation when you press Windows plus O. Next, move to Windows plus B, and it will project your screen to another secondary screen or external screen. right? Next we have Windows plus Q. It will open a search bar on the taskbar, and the same does Windows plus S. So let's see that as well. Windows plus S, you can get again a search bar in the taskbar. Next we have Windows plus R, and you can open the run command, and you can search anything in there. So next we have Windows plus T, and you can see it's just getting to the taskbar, and you can select any of the application to open. So these are basic shortcuts. If you know, you can save some time. Next we have Windows plus U, and it also open the setting for display. We have setting open for Windows I, and this is for display setting. You can press Windows plus U to get to the display setting. We have Windows plus V, and it shows you if anything you have copied when you're working, so you can check your history if you missed to paste anywhere, so you can get it there, right? Next we have Windows plus W, and you can get the snipping tools like whiteboard and saying in full screen snip. It's normally floated snipping option. Next we have Windows plus X, and it opens a quick link menus for all the settings, right? Then we have Windows plus Y, and it does work only if we have something open like mixed reality thing. The same Windows plus Z also work. So Windows plus Y is change input between desktop and mixed reality, and Windows plus Z is switch input between the desktop experience and Windows mixed reality, right? So mixed reality is something or something like physically or virtual world, like VR, or we can say it's like different between or in between like real world and computer world. All right, so we have finished Windows key shortcut A to Z, and hope you like the video. Like I said, if you like the video, please hit like button and share to your friends and colleagues. If you're watching first time, please do subscribe, and thank you for watching till now. Let's end the video. Please share the video.